Got the Traxxas Disruptor 26 inch versus the TFL Rocket 26 inch. The Rocket is a carbon fibre boat. She's all stock apart from the prop that I put on there. I'm not even sure what the standard size was. I've just put a 45-1.4 on there. I can't remember what was on there before. Hopefully it's okay. It's on 4S. The Traxxas Disruptor has got all our stuff on the back with the CNC stuff. Got a 42-1.7 high rake prop on there. Never tried it before. Had a 44-1.7 on there the other day and it went good, but it didn't sound like it was revving out. So we've got a GPS in there to see what it does. Did 83 k's an hour the other day. Remember, if you go too far up on that one, it'll lose its signal. Well, that rocket, just beautiful. That's sitting good, isn't it? Whoa. Here we go. Whoa. Let's go down a bit further and we'll see which one's the fastest.
This is really bad takeoff, so
okay.
there's a log sticking up over there too.
Yep, I see it. Just get them up to speed a little bit and then we'll go. I'll follow you. Go. Yep. Oh shit. Did I scare you?
A little bit. Well, it kind of veered towards you a little bit.
This one just picks up the speed so fast with this prop. Catching you. Did you hit something?
No, I just fully kicked out of the water. All over the place. How did yours handle the chop?
Pretty good. No real problem. Fast for 4S, aren't they?
Yeah, very.
You go inside me, yeah. I looked over and I couldn't see your boat under the water.
Right down.
Should be nearly done, but give me I'll drive that, you drive this.
Alright, enjoy. Just because it's got the stinger angled up so much.
Yeah?
When you're flat out, it's not fairly smooth. It's kind of cool. The prop slipped a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot of slip there, isn't there?
Yeah. I thought there was something wrong the first time.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. The Rocket drives so much better, doesn't it? There is no comparison.
There could be better. Could be tuned a bit better.
You were gaining on me pretty quick then when you nailed it then.
Yeah.
think the steering could be turned up on that one. Doesn't seem very sharp, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, instant pickup, yeah. Alright, I'm bringing this in. Either something's slipping or it's flat, something might caught up on it. Leaning over. Need to see, oh yeah, half a tree on there. Oh, plastic bag.
Bag of chips or something, yeah.
Alright. Let's see what speed that thing got to.
Yeah.
You want to do it up there? I just grabbed the first prop I picked. It just happened to be a 45, so I don't know if that's right for this or not. Don't know if everything's going to be smoking hot.
84 kilometers.
Okay, we did 83 with that, with the one that was 2 mil bigger.
Yep.
So this is way better then.
Likes it more.
Yeah.
This must be doing closer to 90.
Have to be. No, nothing's hot. Nothing's warm even.
Really?
Just barely up to temperature. Nothing's. So yeah, wow. It definitely got a bigger prop than that.
Yeah, but not.
But that one's probably ideal
Yeah.
for that.
It's
Just
like comfortable, yeah.
Just all that pitch is just making it take off too slow though.
Yeah. See that? Don't know if you can see that, but 84 kilometers an hour.